Let's start with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. It's your math lecture number 7 of third term for class 1. Today we learn the time. We have two types of hands on a clock. Not these types of hands. There is a longer hand which is called a minute hand and a shorter hand which is called the hour hand. Now we tell the time on a clock when the minute hand points at 12 and the hour hand point at any number. Then we say it is o'clock. Here the hour hand points the number 5. So it is 5 o'clock. Now here the minute hand points at 6. When the minute hand points at 6, it is half past the hour. When the hour hand moves halfway from 9 towards 10, it is half past 9. Now can you tell the time on these clocks? Here the minute hand points at 12 and the hour hand point at 6. So it is 6 o'clock. In this clock, what's the time? Yes, it is 2 o'clock. In this clock, minute hand points at 6 and the hour hand start moving from 4. So it is half past 4. Now can you tell the time on this clock? Yes, it is half past 10. Now it's time for homework. Complete page 135 and 136. Thank you. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.